What's up, all you real ones? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk about something really exciting today. We're going to take ChatGPT and our all-in-one business software, and we're going to go ahead and put a ring on it. That's right, folks. It's getting pretty exciting because our software now just got married with ChatGPT. We're going to talk all about that real quick and a few more other things about affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to change your life for the better, well, this may be the right avenue for you. Go ahead and check it out, stick around, and let's get down. Discover the power of ChatGPT in building your website, sales funnels, and more with our amazing all-in-one software and affiliate marketing strategies to change your life. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and are you feeling like you're not getting anywhere in life? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? If so, then it's time to take action and make your dreams a reality. With the incredible opportunity to build your own online business and generate passive income, the sky's the limit. And it just got even better. Our online marketplace, like Amazon, offers over 1,000 streams of income, including physical products, digital products, and Web3 NFTs. Plus, our all-in-one business app software is now partnered with ChatGPT, the first of its kind AI-driven software that you can use to build your own websites, sales funnels, lead generation, email, autoresponder, surveys, quizzes, CMRs, and so much more. Think about it. No more sitting in rush hour traffic, no more sitting at a desk for 8 hours a day, and no more feeling like your life is on hold. With the power of passive income and the ability to work from anywhere in the world, you can finally take control of your life and live on your own terms. Imagine waking up each morning and feeling excited about your day, knowing that you have the financial freedom to do what you want when you want. Whether it's traveling the world or spending time with your family or pursuing your passions, and the possibilities are endless. But how do you get started? Well, it's easy. Simply become a free affiliate at the online business app and start sharing your affiliate links with your friends and families and your social media. You learn to earn for spreading the word, and the best part is that it's guilt-free gossiping. See, with over the 1,000 streams of income available in our marketplace and the most amazing online business app software partnered with ChatGPT, the sky is truly the limit. You have the opportunity to learn from the best in the industry with over 25 years proven sales methods that are now integrating with the AI revolution, Web 2 and Web 3 technology. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubts and worries keep you from living the life you deserve. Take the leap, embrace this life changing opportunity. Click the link below and get started with your journey towards financial freedom and the life you've always dreamed of today.